Let's talk about AI for a minute, and what it's doing to the world and how it might be affecting you or how it might affect you in the future as a business owner. Just want to get your thoughts on it. You seem like a pretty smart guy, so I'm sure you're watching things closely. I'm guessing you're not one of those guys with your head in the sand and that you are paying attention to what's going on. I'm just assuming. Um, First of all, how are you feeling about the march of AI as it relates to some of this tactical work that recruiting firms like mine do, accounting firms like yours do, tax firms like yours do? How are you feeling about it? Are you engaging it and using it? Are you worried about it? Give me a nice 30,000 foot overview comment first.
We do use it. We use ChatGPT. I think when you're doing it for marketing and advertising, it's a great tool to utilize. You can get a lot of things done quicker. When it comes to technical analysis, I wouldn't trust it because unless you know the technical answer, you can clean up the technical answer you're looking for, but at the end of the day, we're not going to go search for tax code analysis in there and just trust what it's giving us because it's pulling from all over the internet. It could be anywhere. It doesn't give you the source. So that perspective, I think you have to be careful with. When it comes to automation, it changes every day. So I think we're on the right track. In my industry in accounting and tax, there's some firms out there talking about automating bookkeeping, but let me just tell you, you can automate maybe 75% of it, but the other 25% still is human interaction. And I don't think it's even 75% today. It might be 50, but there's still human interaction that needs to be done with that, at least with today's technology. And at the end of the day, nobody wants to talk to, I'm a business owner, you're a business owner. We don't want to talk to a robot. We still want the human interaction as humans to advise us. Now we can use AI to build that analysis and take all different perspectives and different software and reports and put together a nice formal analysis. But to kind of get your opinion as a human, like I think we still want to have that human interaction together. So for us in that advisory role, where we're the kind of the business coach and controller advisory and talking to clients, that kind of conversation doesn't exist with AI today. So does it exist in the future? I mean, maybe we'll be talking to computers. I don't know, and we get that information just automatically. But in today's realm, utilizing AI to summarize things and take a lot of data and break it down very quickly is certainly helpful. But we're still a human business here in accounting and tax, and I think it still will be for probably the rest of my career, I'm guessing.
Okay. You use ChatGPT yourself personally?
Yes,
Okay. You're using the advanced models, the O1, the preview, all of it.
yes.
You're using the advanced voice mode, talking to the advanced voice on your phone.
I don't use the voice one. No,
Have you tried the advanced voice mode on your
I haven't
on
yet,
your?
but I'm going to try it after this call.
It's also available on your PC now, by the way. You can download it for your PC as well. Okay. All right. I think what I heard you say was yes, definitely can be used for some things. Definitely might eliminate some tactical low-level jobs, but will not replace your firms completely. That's kind of summary of what I heard you say.
Yeah, I mean, even when you look at marketing, like you know, you still have to have human think outside the box to be differently. Otherwise, everybody's using the same tool to do the same marketing. Everybody's going to have the same voice and the same answer.
Mm,
You still have to have that human, like expert, professional, like just kind of their own personal opinion, like still thinking differently on how to approach things, and then use AI to improve it.
yeah,
At least today.
gotcha. I do think creativity, I guess, is a word we can use. I do think the tactical ability of some of the large language models that will do things for you allow for more creative time in your brain to come up with ideas and things that you want to try, because you can have five ideas and have your AI agent do some tactical things and that you used to have to spend time and energy on. So I think that's a blessing. I think it's we're
Hmm.
entering into a world of creativity. I like to tell my friends, whoever has the best ideas and can ask ChatGPT the right questions is the winner.
Yeah, 100% agree with that.
So that's and with my own firm, I would say my answer is close to yours. I think I'm a little more nervous than you are, but I do agree to the point where I have three recruiters right now doing the tactical work that 2 years ago I probably had 12 people doing. And do I still need several of us to talk to clients and talk to the candidates to process some stuff towards the back end? Yes. But a lot of the leg work and tactical work and grunt work up front, man, I got agents and GPTs to do all that shit for me. And so
Hmm.
it has eliminated jobs. It is eliminating some jobs. Now, whether or not these people are creating different jobs yet, I think that's yet to be seen. And so I think that's a challenge for us as a society is, can we pivot into new creative jobs when some of these jobs are lost? I think we will. I just think it's going to be somewhat challenging. But
Yeah, I mean, to the job point, I mean, everybody's like, "Oh, we're losing jobs," but I mean, as a society, we've always adapted to finding different jobs. I mean, even in you're old enough to remember the early 90s or late 90s and early 2000s with the internet. Everybody then was like, the internet's going to take all our jobs,
yeah,
you
yeah,
know, but it just iterated into different types of jobs,
yeah, yeah.
different types of professions. And I think that's what AI will do too.
I hope you're right. I'm somewhat optimistic on that. Maybe not as optimistic as you. My fear is that, I think part of the difference now is the sheer volume and speed of the change is somewhat different. Because if you go back through history and you look at, kerosene to electricity or horse and buggy to car or whatever comparison you want to use, those took time. The sheer speed of the change with AI is the disruptive part that I worry about.